So this is the home screen of QDMS, which is our quality risk and compliance management system. So
Hello? It's my voice. Okay. All right. Okay. So this is the home screen of QDMS, and which is our quality, risk, and compliance management system. Okay, and you can find all your pending tasks and approvals requests on this home screen. So it's make sure you won't miss your the request and the task, and you can click on it and get a quick connection. For example, like a document that I have to read. Then you can click on this tab and the document number or your task number and get a quick connection to this request. Okay, and on the top left you can find all the modules that you have on your system, and this is the main menu of QDMS, and you can find we have control document management modules, campaigns management modules, corrective action modules, action management modules, and so on, which helped you to comply with the regulation or standard, as Kevin mentioned, like ISO, BRC, SQF, and so on. Okay, and let me get you a quick tour to the modules. And first of all, we come to the control document management module. And in this module, you can read your document or upload a new document to the system, start a revision process of your document, or delete a document in the system. Okay. And after deploying QDMS on your on-premise server or cloud server, you don't need any other software to read the content of your document. And instead, you can start reading your document in the built-in browser of QDMS. And QDMS support different file type, for example, procedure, regulations, handbook instructions, specifications, and so on, in different file formats, like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, video, audio, or image. Okay, and now on the left, this is the folder tree that we have, and you can have as many folder layers as you want to have in QDMS. And on the right, you can find all the documents that are sitting under this folder. Okay. And you can click into it and start reading the document in the built-in browser of QDMS. Okay. And also in QDMS, you can manage the permission matrix, which means who can do what in the system, and also the approval flow for different folder or particular documents. Okay. And you can read your document here and also find out the permission matrix under this permission matrix tab. Like you can manage the permission of reading, printing, revising, getting back to the previous version, or delete the document. And all the activities that the users carry out in the system will be recorded in a log of QDMS, which we also call it the audit trail. And you can have an idea what kind of action that is interacted against this document by certain user. Okay. And in every module, we have the reporting tool, which allows you to generate the way they make the report. For example, like the document status report. And they have the similar approach, and you can set up the time frame, and also you can targeting on certain folder, or in other modules, which will be targeting on certain customer, supplier, or location, which I'm going to show you. It's right here. And this reporting tool is available in different modules, and you can generate different ways to make the report in that particular module. And now we can generate our document status report. and all the documents will be shown in a list with its own status. For example, like published, which means it's ready on the system, or at least under revision process, or it's just saved as draft. Okay. So like this, in revision or preparing or published and so on. And you can export every single report in QDMS to Excel or PDF. Then we come to the complaints module, which allows you to create a complaint, like having the feedback from your customer or vendor, contractor, supplier, and so on. And all your records of your complaints or feedback will be in different status. It depends on the progress that you handling this record. Okay, and let me show you what kind of activities that you can carry out in this module. Like you can create a new complaint record, of course. You can enter the detail and also assign the team to take care of this feedback and attach any related to documents or photos like image under this attachments tab. And other than that, the team can file the first progress report and the final report in order to report the action that you have taken in order to cope with this feedback or complaint. And if there's no other follow-up action is needed, then you can close the case right here. And this is how the flow of creating and closing a complaints record in QDMS. Also, we have corrective action module, which allows you to record your non-conformity of your company or that happened in your company and define the action in order to deal with this non-conformity. Again, all the records, they are in different status, like result, follow-up, opened, and review. And similar to complaints module, you can enter the detail of your non-conformity right here, and also assign it to the solution team and do the root cause analysis under this root cause tab, and also define the action that you will take in order to cope with this non-conformity. One more thing is corrective action. Okay, and one more thing is the modules integrate with each other. For example, like corrective action modules and complaints modules. So in the complaints modules, once you create your record, and then you can create a corrective action, and the QDMS will lead you to this module. And then last, I want to introduce you the action management module. So right here, you can set up or define your action planning that you want. And also, after creating your action planning, you can create your action item for this planning. For example, like a new employee. So we have a new employee action planning here. And then you can create the action item, for example, like a documentation, and then read the video training materials, and so on. Okay. And I think it's coming to the end of my demonstration of QDMS. Thank you, Kevin.